Welcome class 10 to computer class. I am your teacher Nitish Kumar. Today we read our chapter number 2 more on MS Word. We already read the MS Word in our previous classes. So what is a MS Word? We read one more time. MS Word is an application software. MS Word is an application software. It comes in MS Office पैकेज. ये MS Office पैकेज के साथ आता है. What is the use of this one? First, I want to increase the size of this one. It's too detailed. You can't read this. It comes in MS Office package. And what is the use of? We use MS Word for improve our text work. हम अपने टेक्स्ट वर्क को ज़्यादा इम्प्रूव करने के लिए प्रेजेंट आवर वर्क इन फ्रंट present our work in front of our viewer. Okay. अपने व्यूअर्स के सामने हम लोग इसको प्रेजेंट करने के लिए MS वर्ड यूज कर रहे हैं फॉर इम्प्रूव आवर वर्क. अपने वर्क को ज़्यादा इम्प्रूव करने के लिए और ज़्यादा अट्रैक्टिव दिखाने के लिए वी आर यूजिंग द MS वर्ड फॉर अट्रैक्ट आवर टेक्स्ट वर्क. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू रीड इन दिस चैप्टर. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू रीड इन दिस चैप्टर द पैराग्राफ फॉर्मेटिंग. फॉर दिस वन वी हैव टू राइट अ पैराग्राफ. सो आई एम कॉपिंग दिस पैराग्राफ. Okay, I am copying this one and go to the next chapter. Actually go to in a new file. I am taking a new file. How can we take a new file? Click on file tab, go in a new option, choose the file which you want. There are so many templates also. We also read in okay, we are reading right now. These are the templates. We can choose any one of them by clicking on them. For example, I want to choose this one, then I clicking on them, then create. It's take too much, it's take a little time because it must be download from here. Now it's downloaded. Look, this paragraph is automatic come here. So this is a type of templates, but this time I don't want to use this one. So I want to take one more new page, a blank page. Now I am going to write a paragraph here for showing you paragraph formatting, but I can use with this line also. I think there is a paragraph. There is no paragraph. Okay, no problem. So this is a line which we used here. I want to paste it too much time. Now I have a paragraph. Now first we have to show how we paragraph work and how can we work with a paragraph. First I want to increase the size of this one. Okay, this one is readable size for you. What we do first, for doing any type of work in MS Word, first you have to want to select anything. How can we select this one? Left click here and don't release your mouse and go to the top. Okay, this is the way to select. First, by default we are in a paragraph format, home paragraph format. By default we are using the left elision. This is the right elision. Okay, you see the starting. This is the center elision. Okay, there is also show the shortcut CTR plus L for left elision. CTR plus R for right region, and for the center CTR plus E. Okay, this is the way for the alignment of the paragraph. Now I want the use the most common left one. Now how there is a no space between these two lines, but I want to create some space between the lines or the paragraph. How can we do this? So for this one, if I want to increase the space between these three lines, then I want to only select these three lines. I am selecting these three lines and go in a space option. Look, how can we select the numbers? There's space is increasing between these numbers. Look, the space is increasing in between the lines. How we could do it? We go in a home tab, choose the line spacing and paragraph spacing system, and select the paragraph first and choose the distance between the words. Okay, this is the way how can we use the paragraph spacing system. Now we are doing the header. What is the header? Header means the top of your screen. How can we do this? So for this one we have to go in a insert tab. We are going in a insert tab and choose the header from the header footer group. Choose the header from the header footer group. I am choosing header from here, and there is so many headers. When we click in a little point here, then a drop down menu is come, and there is so many header. You can choose any one of them. I am choosing this one, so I am choosing this one. You can give any title to this one. For example, I am giving class 10. Okay, and when I give one time header, what is the use of header? When as you see in your book, in every page the book name is written on the top. In every page the book name is written. So what the author can do? Author क्या उसको बार बार जाके लिखता था? No, he can write only one time as a header, and it comes in every page. Look, I'm writing only one time, and it's automatically come to the next page. If I have, and one more thing, how can we work with the header? When we are in a header, then we can't work in a page. So how can we go to the page? Only double click on the page, then you go in a page, and double click on the header, then you go in a header. Okay, this time I'm in a page. For taking one more page, look, I am taking one more page. It's showing the page number 3. It's showing page number 3. It's showing page number 2, and it's showing page number 1. And how many times we write it class 10? Only one time, and it's going to the everyone. Now we're using the footer. How can we use the footer? You can easily use a footer from the headers design. How can we get the header design first? When we are in a page, then you don't have any tab after the view, but when we go in a header group, then we have one more tab known as design. Is this design tab we are using only for the headers. We can also take the footer from here. I'm taking a footer from here. I'm clicking on the footer, and you also take the footer from the insert tab. We can also take the footer from the insert tab. So I'm taking the footer from the insert tab now. Now there is a footer with the author name. The author name is this, as you know. We can easily put a picture on it with the design tab. With the help of design tab, I'm putting a picture on this. Okay, I'm selecting a picture, and this picture is for change the first. When we choose a picture, there's a format tab automatically open. We read in the previous class this one, about this one. Okay, I'm choosing the now the picture is here. How many times I put a picture? One time, but it shows it 2 times and also in 3 times. In every page the picture is going to be stored by choosing only one time. So this is the header and footer. Now we move to the next point, the templates. As we see in our some earlier in this same chapter, the templates, we can also choose the templates from here, the design tab. There are also so many templates are given there, but we are using from the file group. new option. There is so many templates are there. You can choose any one of them. There is also so many from the businesses. Okay, you can easily download from the any one of them. Okay, I will show you one more time. There's a business, flip, cards, personal. There is so many. Okay, you can download any one of them. I'm waiting for a personal templates. Look, there's a personal templates opening. Any one of them you can download from here. First you have to download this template from here. Okay, so we are already downloaded one more. This is the resume template I'm using to create a resume. For the first name Nitish, last name, my mistake, Nitish Kumar, and then the other things which you want to fill, for example phone number, address, email address, your website, if you have date, जिस टाइटल के लिए आप भेजना चाहते हो वो डेट, जिप, एड्रेस, जो भी whatever you want you can fill it in like you want. Okay, this is the way how can we use a templates. Now I'm closing this one. I don't want to save this. One more thing, page break and section break. You are already see it here. When I want to go in a next page, I am continuously pressing the enter for going in a next page. But if I want to go in a next page directly, to what when we do? We have to go in insert tab and choose the blank page. And remember one thing, if your cursor is here, then the blank page is going to the which blank page you are taking, it's going to the bottom of your page. But your cursor, when your cursor is on the top, so the blank page is on the upside of your page. Look, your cursor is here, we have a blank page on the top, and when our cursor is on the downside, then I have the blank page on the bottom. Okay, so that is the way how can we use the page, blank page, and the another things. Now some character formatting we also have to read. This is the most important work which we are here. So I'm using some selecting the word. As we already know, for doing anything, first select your work which you want to choose. I'm selecting a word, go in a home tab and choose the design for this one, any design. We can also choose the design from here with the same format. Once again I'm doing with the different one, and we also give the some different color to this one. So that is the way to changing the font style. We also can increase the size. Okay, giving the italic way, giving the underline. Okay, there is some different type of underline also given here. We can also give the underline color also. Okay, so that is the way we are using the font style. Okay, that's all for this video, and if something is left in this video for chapter number 2, then we have to make one more video known as part